So we got misfire on cylinder number 2. So this is a 2004 Honda Civic. So the problem with this car is that we got misfire. So the misfire was on number 2, and now I swapped the ignition coil, and as you can see in the scanner, it's gonna give me a misfire on number 1. You could see a misfire cylinder number 1. It says yes, and before it was on number 2. So the problem with this Civic is the ignition coil. Okay, but somebody could say, how about if I don't have one of those scanners? Well, you could still do it with the little ones, the ones that they cost probably like $200. Or you could go to AutoZone and they will give you one small, the little scanner. You plug it in, you see where the misfire is. Then what you have to do is reset it or clear the code, and then you just drive it for probably 1 mile, and then the code will come back again to a different cylinder. You know what I mean? Because this thing over here, this thing is so expensive. So I know most people, they don't have, the money to buy these ones. So you, like I say, you still could do it with the little ones. So this is what I do when it comes to a misfire. I start with the ignition coil. I swap them, and if that doesn't fix the problem, then I go with the spark plugs. I swap the spark plugs over here. If that doesn't fix the problem, then you could go with the injectors, which are over here.